Good day, tutor class me. Strand 2, video 2, the movie. Name of the movie, Dead Leon King. 2. The plot beginning con and beginning the story cut place in an specific place in the African savannah home Simba, a lion cooked and suffered to death thrown of the savannah. Something that his uncle scarred does not like, and some her reports plan to copy the strong. Year later, Sinbad and an adult recruits Pumbaa from beginning on the big lions. Their turned out to be her whole children, whole friend Nala, who now recording hit Oscar hears to root to ring too strong, and Scar confesses that he was the relic of the father Simba full of fury jumps on Scar and forced him to confess public of final battle, in which Scar ends up being killed with their hands. The cycle of life closes with the access to crown of Simba, with the final half of an empire in which Sinbad and Nala marry and Rafiki, present to that mute and future set of both. Kira. 3. What did you learn about the movie? The violent insistent parents are real treasured that with mouths never form of will talk. We are the person we think we are, not the person others say we are, and that true preaching is producing truth. How did movie make feel? That we so always both of those people were are always there for you. How does 5. How does that feel related to the academic program you are studying? It is related to the values that we must always keep in mind in any situation. 6. Another end to the field called B that Simba Scar Uncle had not yet. Thank you.